Now that you've upgraded your account, it's time to create your first team or your gym. When you provide the name of your team or gym, we're going to do a system-wide search to see if Kilomodo has already created it for you. If it is already created, you can go ahead and claim ownership if it's not already claimed already. In this case, we're going to create a gym from scratch. In the gym creation screen, we're going to want to set the time zone, the city, as well as the state in which our team or gym is located. We can also change the notification time for when we want our members to receive emails, push notifications for when workouts become available on the whiteboard. Now that our gym is created, we can go ahead and do some further customization, such as uploading our logo to create some personalization around our gym. This is going to show up in the feed as well as on the whiteboard so your members have some association to it. All right, perfect. The other thing that we do when we create a brand new gym or team is by default, we create the community track. This is also something you can go in and customize. In this case, we're going to go ahead and change the name as well as the color that's associated to this track, and that's how it's going to appear in our schedule. We can also set some security settings such as who can publish workouts to our track, as well as who's allowed to join our track without our permission. Now that we've got our gym and our track set up, we're going to go ahead and start inviting members by copying and pasting an email list into our invitations. Here's our list of invited members. I can also go ahead and check the status as well as resend a notification if needed or delete a notification if it's no longer necessary to have out there. Now that that's all created, I sit back and wait for my members to start coming into my track.